Hi, I'm Isaac with Food in Focus, and today we'll be talking about basic gardening tips. Did you know humans only began growing food about 12,000 years ago? This is a relatively short amount of time, considering we've been around for approximately 300,000 years. For most of our history, we were hunters and gatherers. If you want to get with the times and grow your own food, you will need seeds, soil, sunlight. Check your seed packet to find out how much. Water. Space. Each plant needs the correct amount of space for growth above and below ground. Attention and love. Here are a few basic gardening tips to get you started. When you plant the seeds, give the soil a really good watering. Seeds will not germinate in dry soil. Seedlings, baby plants, should never dry out, so water them every day. After the plants are about as big as your hand, you likely won't need to water them every day. Try keeping a garden journal where you write down the changes you see as your plants grow. There are several gardening terms that are useful to know. Days to germination, the average amount of time it takes for a seedling to start to grow out of a seed. Days to harvest, unless stated otherwise, the number of days a plant needs to grow before it can be harvested to eat. Some plants, like snap peas, can be harvested for multiple weeks. Planting depth, how far beneath the surface of the soil you should plant each seed. Row spacing, how much space you should leave between rows. In a garden, the plants do not need to be in straight rows, but make sure to give them the correct amount of space. Sow, to plant seeds. Spacing, how much space should be in between each plant in a row. Make sure you give plants enough space below the ground as well. Most plants need 12 inches or more space for their roots. Check the seed packet for details. Transplant, to move plants, most often from an indoor space to a new outdoor location. Some plants need warm temperatures to germinate. Gardeners will start the seeds in small pots inside until it's warm enough to take the small plant out of its pot and plant it outside in a larger pot or directly into the ground. If you are interested in growing food in pots and other containers, be sure to check out our video on container gardening at foodhero.org. Here you will also find many more gardening tips and can sign up to get the Food Hero Monthly emailed to your inbox for free. Thanks for watching.